Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by creating the minimal project structure so you can iterate quickly. Open Vscode on your project folder, create index, HTML, styles, CSS and script, JS, and save them. Once done, install the live server extension, and if you plan to use build tools, Node.js. Make sure autosave and UTF-8 are enabled so file changes reflect immediately. This gets you into a live edit loop and prevents encoding surprises when you load the page in the browser. Next, you wire everything together and configure helpful tooling. In index, HTML, add a link tag for styles, CSS in head, and a deferred script tag before body close so DOM loads first. Then enable Emmet and install Prettier plus CSS IntelliSense to speed authoring and keep code consistent. If you need debugging, add a simple launch. JSON for Chrome or Edge and a tasks. JSON to run build steps. Once set, you'll get completions, formatting, and breakpoints that make development reliable and fast. Finally, you iterate. Make a change in CSS or JavaScript, save, and watch the page update with Live Server or the debugger. Use dev tools to inspect elements, check the console for errors, and examine network requests so you know why something failed. Make sure script tags are correct and that CSS selectors match elements. If things go wrong, disable recently added extensions, clear the browser cache, verify relative file paths, and restart Vscode. This usually resolves extension conflicts and stale caches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.